Who doesn't love the Pink Panther? We absolutely do, and that is why Debbie has created the Pink Panther for her Halloween makeup tutorial today. So if you want to know how she created this look, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. After a quick sketch on the skin to create the basic shapes of the Pink Panther, Debbie starts out with pink. And this pink is by Diamond FX. It is called the Essential Pink. And with that she colors her entire face in the light pink color. Once that light pink is on there, we switch to a very bright neon magenta pink to make the basic shadows on this Pink Panther. So as you can see, it is the outside of the face and also a bit around the mouth. With powders from the Rainbow palette by Ben Nye, here are some more shadows to go on the skin. And the same pink by Diamond FX is used to create the pink on the nose. Now all that pink is on there, it is time to continue to the eyes. So the eyes are purple and they are created with a Superstar face paint. This color is called La La Land and it is a very nice shade of purple for our eyes. As you can see, Debbie also added a bit of eyeshadow on the purple from the eyes to create a bit more depth. But with the same colors from the Rainbow palette, she is putting shadows around the eyes as well. Switching to a black pressed powder, this is one of the Star Blends by Maron. It is the black one and it is to intensify the shadows on the mouth. And once all of the shadows are on there, Debbie outlined the mouth with the Essential Black by Diamond FX to give it a cartoon-like effect to her face. Onto the neck and the chest area, which are also painted with the Essential Pink and the Neon Pink by Diamond FX. So first is the layer of pink and then with the magenta, neon magenta, the shadows are applied. The highlights are done with white. This is the white face paint by Diamond FX. It's very nice to make highlights with this white because it's very blendable on the skin. And with the same powders as used on the face, we have some shadows on the chest as well. Once all of those shadows are on there, we are back to the light pink color to fill out the empty area that is still on the chest. And once that entire area is pink, we go back to the Rainbow palette by Ben Nye to put those shadows on the skin as well. And of course we need the little man to be part of this makeup as well. So Debbie is painting him on the chest with the white by Superstar. And once all of the white is on there, he does need some eyes. So Debbie decided to give him heart eyes, which are put on the skin with the red by Superstar. It is color number 035, named Fire Red. A few eyebrows with black and a few eyebrows for herself as well. And with a lovely pink wig and some pink Panter ears, our makeup tutorial for today is done. If you liked it, don't forget those thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.